Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to make some air fryer drumsticks. And so, I've already prepared washed the chicken legs and I sliced them. I don't want to touch them. I sliced them like butterfly the legs. I used my kitchen shears. Let me pick one up and show you. I sliced on each side of the bone so all this seasoning can get up in there. Okay, and they've been sitting out, getting room temperature. Ew. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. I'm going to show you now. Let me lower this. Okay, got the legs on here. I made a wet, kind of a wet batter. I used this Andes Flaming Hot Chicken breading. I put it in a narrow container with a little of my filtered water. Just a little bit, enough to make a paste. And you see how the legs look? And I slathered the paste all on the legs. So, before that I seasoned my chicken, y'all. Of course, I started with my yellow mustard. I used the Italian seasoning blends, no salt. I used my smoked paprika, no salt in that. I used my Matteson seasoning, no salt in here, or MSG, and my pepper. I made the paste with this and put that on the chicken, so that's how you see the chicken now. This is what I'll be using to air fry my legs. This Andes chicken breading, the hot and spicy. Open this. I'm use my breader, shaker bowl. Stand back and pour this so it don't get all up my nose and have me sneezing. So I need maybe that much. If I need more, I'll add more. So like I said, these legs have already been marinating. They're sitting here. Getting room temperature. So I'm going to put 3 in at a time. I have 6 legs. Ew. I hate touching nasty stuff. Now I'm going to shake it. This is something I haven't done before. Making a slurry paste of the breading and then breading them with the dry breading. Evenly coated. I'll be using my Boy Levy 10-quart air fryer. You can't see it now because I got all this junk sitting up here. I'm going to put it away right now. Okay, this came out of here, so it got to fit up in here. What else? I'm not using this right now. how this looks inside. Shaking off the excess breading. Okay, I want the breading to go all up in here where I cut. I'm going to shake it again. Shake out the excess. Like the chicken has flaps. I want it to fry just like that. Okay. I'll show you how I got them in here. These come in handy. Parchment sheets. Sometimes I put it in my air fryer. Just a minute. My hands is nasty. Okay, yeah, I was having a sneezing fit because of this pepper. So I put these legs in here. Of course, I'm not sneezing on my food. Then I'm going to shake it. I add a little more breading to this. Looks like it's evenly coated. I'll open up these flaps. Let's see. That I cut. That's what I'm doing. I'll show y'all. Six legs. Okay, this is the way the legs look in here. Okay, now I'm going to spray them. I'm spraying them. They don't have that flour on them when they're done. That's how they look. Pull this out from the wall. Angle it. Turn it on. It's set for, y'all don't see nothing I'm doing. It's set for 400, so I'm going to set it for 18 minutes. I'm going to set it for 23 minutes. Well, these legs are pretty big. For 24 minutes. Now I'm going to turn it on. So, meanwhile, I'm fixing some collard greens and some candied yams. So I'll be back. Okay, my drumsticks are done. Trying to get out my shadow. Got cornbread cooking in this Cicero air fryer oven. Greens, collard greens, and little candied yams. Got my plate ready with my spicy garlic pickles. Spicy, sweet, hot garlic. Walter's gonna cook he's gonna eat what I cook. Plus he got a pork chop. This is his dedicated air fryer. It's one of my first air fryers. It's still going strong. He loves it. He don't want a new one. My plate is fixed, but I'm waiting for this cornbread. It ain't brown yet. Okay, y'all, here's my dinner. Okay, I'm gonna taste it for y'all. Okay, here's my dinner. I don't usually fix a complete meal. All that's missing is macaroni and cheese. Let's try the greens. These are collard greens. Candied yams. Try the chicken. Chicken had time to cool off while I was waiting for the cornbread. Breaking off one of these pieces. It's done. Then done. Spicy. Oh. Here's cornbread. Some good eating here. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. The chicken is hot. Spicy hot. Leave a nice comment. Give me a thumbs up. And have a very blessed rest of the evening. It's 6:48 p.m. on Monday. And bon appetit. I'm about to get my eat on. Okay, bye.